Do you know how much MrBeast actually makes from his YouTube empire and how he achieved such insane success? With over 476 million subscribers on his main channel alone, Jimmy Donaldson is officially the most successful YouTuber in history. Across his channels, he has posted a total of 963 videos, raking up a mind-blowing 117 million views. But success did not happen overnight. Believe it or not, it took MrBeast over 500 videos just to hit his first billion views. He started with simple unedited Minecraft videos before evolving into the massive challenges, travel vlogs, and stunts that the entire world watches today. Beyond his main channel, his secondary channels also pull in millions of subscribers and billions of views. But Jimmy did not stop at YouTube. He launched Feastables, a chocolate brand that skyrocketed in popularity thanks to his massive audience. Now for the question you have all been waiting for. How much does he actually make? From his main channel alone, he generates nearly $10 million every single month, totaling hundreds of millions over the years. His chocolate company Feastables brings in an estimated 400 millions to 500 millions annual revenue. When you add it all up, his total annual revenue sits between 700 million and 800 million dollars. But here is the crazy part. He reinvests almost every penny back into his content to make his videos ever bigger. Today his net worth is estimated at $2.5 billion, making him the world's first billionaire YouTuber. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and comment below with your thoughts on MrBeast. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.